This is the catalog link of ShopperSwing which has been shared in the group. So if you have to look at the catalog, you can just click on view catalog. You will reach the catalog, and here are the products which are in the catalog. You can scroll down and you will see more. And how to add the pieces into the cart, it's very simple with this WhatsApp cataloging. You go to this frock, you say this frock you want, it has the size, it has the price, MOQ, mixed variety concept we have explained many times. If it is not clear, you can message back, we will explain it again. You say add to cart here, and see one product is added to your cart. Now you back and you go down again. You want this frock, it has the price, age group, whatever details is there. Add to cart, again one piece has been added. I want this legging, I add to cart. Then you go back, whatever age group, prices, every detail is given. It's just like a e-com website on a WhatsApp. You go and do add to cart, and you want more to be added, so keep on adding. You can see our stock and keep on adding. Here are 7 products which we have added already. So I want to add this shorts also, so I add to cart. In this, it has multiple age groups, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I go back and then see the 8 products what we added into the cart are visible here. I want to increase the number of pieces. Here I like to mention it's 8 items, and the estimated cost also is given 1145. Only GST and shipping will be extra. GST is 5% on clothing, shipping will be according to the weight. Now you want more pieces in this H&M frock, so you write it, it's given 1. You just scroll, you want 4 pieces, you select 4 and say done. So it has now 4 pieces. The quantity has increased from 7 to 11. Now for this collar t-shirt, you wanted more pieces, like say 8 pieces, so you select 8 and say done. And then we added the shorts, you want all the sizes in it. So let's say you say 6 sizes are there, so you add 6 and say done. Total order is 23 and our minimum order is 20 only. So the estimated bill is given 3435. And in this, if you want to remove anything, you don't want the sleeveless frock, just click on it, you say remove, and it is removed. Now your estimated cost has also decreased. So this is the order what you are placing to us. We have to confirm whether the quantity is available with us or not. So this is not the exact bill, this is the estimated bill. And below that, here is a type a message. You're typing a message to ShopperSwing, as it's our catalog. So you type a message, you want 1 piece in each size. So maybe you have ordered 8 pieces, but we are only left with 3 pieces, so we will add only one piece in each size. This is what your order is. Very easy to do it for your shopping purpose, for selling purpose. And just say send to it, and it will be sent to us. See, this has been now sent to ShopperSwing, and we will get back to you after checking the availability, and then we will share the final bill with you. It's easy to do. Try it and let us know if you face any more difficulties.